Now, are you thinking what I just thought of? Okay, once I get this one, I'm going to line that up. But when I take this door down to then install that one, guess what? When I have it down, remember I want to lower this door down like less than a 16th, almost a 16th, right? Okay, and in order to, when I have this down, I'll just be able to tighten that little deal on the bottom. Okay, and I'm looking at this. And see, I got enough room to lower it down by less than a 16th, and it's still going to be fine. It's not going to be rubbing on the carpet very much or anything. All right? All right, back to work I go. Okay, I got the brackets screwed on the back sides of the doors. Hang on. Okay, I just moved my tripod down so I can hang on to it. You see, there's the bracket there. I'll show you the back side of this one. You see? Like that. And guess what I forgot to do? I had to take it back down. Yeah, remember? I wanted to screw that in just a hair to lower this door down. So I did. I sure did. And this is what we're going to have down here at the bottom. Closing those doors. And I got it all adjusted right before I close that. We'll have it right there, and it's almost touching. You see when I push that, see how the door's tight right there, okay? Now let's go. I'm going to close it all the way. Well, you have to close them both at the same time, or not. You got the handles. Okay. Now see, the bottom is always going to be flat because I've got those brackets on the back side. Isn't that cool? It's always going to be flat here. That way one door isn't hanging in, one door's hanging out, and all that. And I have not checked the top yet. Let's check that. You and I together. And look at that. Look at that. It almost, I say, looks like I went down too far, huh? Just barely, ever so slightly. And you think we should fix it? Do you think we should fix it? I don't know. For some reason, my battery went out. I got everything popped in from here because the first one I could pull over this way far enough and then click it so I can look back in there. And I've got it. Now I can fit it into the bottom, make sure it's in. And I don't think it is. I can lift up on it, get it over. Now I don't know that the bottom is exactly where it needs to be until I measure it, and 29 1/8 there. I think it has to be pushed in a little bit. I got 29 3/8. I lift up on it and slide it over, making sure I'm in my groove, which I am. Lift up, strong fingers, swivel over, measure 29 1/8. You go through the whole process again, and that looks good. And we've got it. And let's look at the top. Let's look at the top here. Let's see if we can live with that. You're gonna tell me, can we live with that? Look at that, see? That's pretty darn close. Right? That's pretty darn close. And we'll look and see one more time whether or not I want to adjust that bottom over or not. And I don't really think I should, because see right there I'm hitting. And mind you, if I adjusted this over 1/16 of an inch, it's just going to give it a friction bond, and then it's going to go ka-clunk. You know what I mean? Let's just try it. Yeah, it could come over just a hair anyways. Okay, one click. Okay, I'm gonna pull that one back out. And I think that's just fine. I think that's fine. Okay, and I'm just gonna double check this up here. Now do you see why I was dreading these doors? Everything looks fine. Okay, that looks fine. I've got the middle gap fine. I've got everything running on there fine. I've got that bracket lined up fine. And now it's all about putting the door handles on. Okay, let me talk to you about that. It's one thing that's very important I want you to catch.